No, go do that again.
Ah.
Try that again.
Okay.
Don't fall this time. Just... Daddy, you should really only have one leg when he does that. Ew! Stinky feet! Who has the stinkiest feet around?
Mommy does.
No, Daddy does.
Daddy does.
Yeah.
And I doesn't.
I don't know. Sometimes Eli's... Babe, be careful. Thank you. Sometimes Eli's feet are very stinky. Now do the leg thing.
Okay. I see. Jeez. I'm upside down.
Yeah, you are. Good job, buddy.